way to surprise my wife. She doesn't know it, but I'm buying her a new SUV. So since they just recently came out not too long ago, but they were extremely hard to find, especially the trim model that she wanted. I'm about an hour away to this dealership to get it. She secretly ordered it in September, and it just came in today. So I'm off to get it, sign the papers, pay for it, of course, and show it to her. And I know she was going to be definitely surprised for it. This SUV that I did the same thing as well. She wanted a new SUV. She didn't know about, me going to actually getting this one. It's going to be a great surprise for her. Here's the car live in person in my garage. So I've definitely been impressed with just the overall fit and finish of it. Just everything in general. Since it is the Prestige, you get the heads-up display. So you got that. So if you have the car started and you're driving, and you turn on your left turn signal or even your right turn signal, it'll click on the side camera on the mirrors, which is pretty cool. Which will, show your blind spots. So that's pretty nice little feature here. Apple CarPlay, of course. Every option that you can really think of, to be honest with you, is on this trim model. And since I have the Prestige one, you get the Napa leather seats. And I got the captain chairs, kind of the micro suede, headliner. Everything else like that. It's overall, it's really, really nice, and the wife truly loves it. So of course, black on black. It's the all drive model. So black SX wheels, full LED, front and rear. So there's your turn signals. LED fog lights, daytime running lights with the amber. It makes it a nice little, definitely nice touch as far as everything on this one. Couldn't be even more pleased with it, to be honest with you. She loves it. I like it too, right? Because family of 4, right? So both my boys in the back with the captain chairs. Just have to add some TVs to the back. But, since I'm in this a lot too, it is for her, of course, but I was hoping that I was going to like it as well. So, and I do. It's definitely nice. All right, guys, that does it for today. So buying my wife a 2020 Kia Telluride SX Prestige. Wanted to get the highest trim model possible and the highest options added onto it. So, working with the dealer that I worked with, didn't pay up any over markup from MSRP. They can't keep the SX trim models in stock anywhere, so it took 3 months to order until we got it delivered. Definitely didn't overpay on the vehicle, to say the least, so that was really good, since I said a lot of other dealers, even local to me, are charging up $10,000 over, which you definitely obviously do not want to do that.
So we're happy with the decision, of course. You know, with her being a stay-at-home mom, you know, it's good that I wanted to do something for her, of course, and, you know, get her out of the Pathfinder Platinum that we have. Mostly because of the, you know, the features were really lagging on the Nissan. I mean, they're still using a lot of the same tech features that they did years before 2017 and even currently now, 2019, 2020. So Nissan is a little bit behind the game. This has a lot of great technology for it, for the price. You know, it's a good comparable for everything else. And like I said, it's her vehicle, not so much my vehicle. I will actually be doing a few other Telluride videos in mix of the BMW E9335 videos and a few other different BMW videos that you've never seen on this channel before as far as vehicle wise. So you definitely like those BMW videos here coming up. Thanks guys, big thumbs up in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and stay tuned. Take care.